Hey everybody, today we're going to talk to you about how we build our river tables. First up is your mold. We use 3/4 inch melamine and tuck tape. Making sure your mold is perfectly to size is really important because you don't want any epoxy to leak out. Once you're happy with the size of your mold, you're going to place your slabs and you're going to silicone them down in place with some clamps. Make sure that it's nice and tight to create a nice bond between the bottom of your mold and the slabs to prevent any epoxy from leaking underneath. We use Chill Ice 2 from Polymeres Technologies as our resin epoxy of choice. It's a great product on the market. In this case, we use a nice green tint. The Chill line of epoxies is a 2-to-1 ratio, so you use 2 parts resin to 1 part hardener. Make sure you mix it for a good 10 minutes to get the right proper bond between the chemicals. Once you've done that, you're ready to pour. This is the part everybody loves. This is where your table starts to come to life. This is the entire project rides on this part. This is why you want to make sure everything's nice and sealed with your silicone to prevent any leaks. You'll notice there's a lot of bubbles in the epoxy, but that's the cool thing with Chill. You don't have to worry about it because the bubbles will pop themselves. You don't need a torch, you don't need a heat gun. The chemical reaction does it itself, as you can see here. The Chill line of epoxies take about 24 to 72 hours to cure. Once that's fully cured, you pull it out of the mold and you're ready for your router sled to get it nice and flat. We use an 1.5 inch flattening bit for this process. Next up, it is time for finish. Hold up, forgot something. We actually have to sand first. Then you can go on to your finish. In this case, we used Odie's oil, which really brings out the character of both the walnut and the resin. Your resin table's done, ready for its base. We used metal legs from Tailored Custom Fab in this one with a walnut stretcher. The table turned out amazing. Everything pulled together so well. It's a great little pub table for someone's basement. Lots of football to be watched, cards to be played, and drinks to be had. If you think you could see something like this in your house, be sure to contact us on our website. Fill out the form. We would love to work with you towards your dream table. Be sure to follow us on Instagram at Stone City Woodworks. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. And if you want to watch more videos, be sure to hit that bell to be notified when we upload next. Thanks again. Have a great day.